convener, catalyst, collaborator, advocate, the workplace. Without the aid of grants and private support, the diverse role of the workplace wouldn't be the same. The workplace has been able to support and help thousands of Americans find the assistance and skills required to successfully participate in the workforce. Through our Valor Programs unit, the workplace offers comprehensive services aimed at helping veterans secure employment and avoid homelessness. Supportive Services for Veteran Families was founded on the principle that every veteran has a right to housing. We coordinate the delivery of support services to very low-income veteran families, breaking down barriers which leave veterans isolated and disconnected from essential resources. The Homeless Veterans Reintegration Program relies on intense personalized case management to provide the skills and training required for long-term success. These grants enable us to partner with numerous government and not-for-profit organizations to maximize the chance of making a meaningful difference in veterans' lives. Thanks to over $7 million donated by a variety of sources, we are able to fund training and education to individuals with high ambitions. The Workplace Scholarship System fills the job training gap, weakening our country's current workforce structure. With intensive job training, recipients of these scholarships secure employment, increase earnings, and are better able to support their families. Through the Health Career Academy, low-income and long-term unemployed individuals are being trained to enter a high-growth industry. Collectively contributing $10 million, the U.S. Departments of Health and Human Services and Department of Labor enable us to produce skilled healthcare professionals to respond to growing demand. By perfecting the skill, dedication, and value of each graduate, the Health Career Academy naturally enriches the quality of our nation's healthcare system. The workplace is dedicated to enhance today's workforce. We embrace diversity and appreciate its powerful effect on the culture and development of the system. With the generous support of federal agencies, we implemented the Everyone Works and Telework Tools grants. These programs were devoted to reducing barriers and providing a level playing field for individuals with disabilities to re-enter the workforce. We created teleworktools.org as a comprehensive resource for job seekers, employers, and service providers to better understand how telecommuting is affording new career options for people around the world. Currently, our Add Us In Diversity Works program supports and encourages small businesses to hire and leverage the talents of people with disabilities, including LGBTQ individuals with disabilities. Platform to Employment, our signature program, is transforming the workforce system and continues to grow today. More than 36 companies, nonprofits, foundations, and individuals collectively donated over $580,000. In several Connecticut trials, 80% of participants successfully transitioned into work experience programs, and 90% of them went on to secure full-time employment. Such favorable statistics prove that the P2E solution is the best way to address long-term unemployment. With more than an additional $1 million raised, the program has expanded to 10 cities across the country. Platform to Employment is moving the long-term unemployed from despair to hope, helping them recapture their American dream. The workplace acts as a collaborator and advocate for workforce development programs across the nation. Programs such as the Mortgage Crisis Job Training Program, YouthWorks, the IFS Center for Educational Excellence, Maturity Works, Green and Advanced Manufacturing initiatives have helped us to develop a self-sufficient workforce. Grants and donations, as well as revenue generated from our engaged staffing and the Blue-Green Research Institute, helped to fund our workforce initiative. We received a $2.7 million comprehensive grant for the IFS Center, a program dedicated to improving the insurance and financial service industries that reached 1,575 Connecticut workers. A $2 million grant empowered us to form a coalition of manufacturing companies dedicated to improving their industry. Our green initiatives, including Environmental Works and Green Up Bridgeport, allow us to assist the population of southwestern Connecticut reach economic security. As passionate advocates for lifelong learning, we implemented the Maturity Works program to emphasize the truth behind the classic saying, "With age comes wisdom." We are grateful for our partners, elected officials, business leaders, and social service organizations that have helped us succeed. As we begin to think it forward to the future of the workplace, we must continue to pursue partnerships that foster opportunities to improve America's workforce.